What's Gucci, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be installing these tailgate inserts, which go right here inside these this indented Tacoma on the tailgate. Pretty simple. It is dirty though, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off and dry it off and get to sticking these bad boys on. I will say, if you guys notice a difference in audio, that's because I bought this little mic. So yeah, just gonna turn on the water hose. I'm just gonna wet it, wipe it with a Microsoft towel, and then just dry it off real quick. I'm not gonna do too much. All right, so got it prepped. As you can tell, it's really dirty. I don't know if you could really tell, but it's still dirty. But I only prepped this area because that's what I'm gonna be working on. And it is cold out. Well, not too cold right now, but we're still in fall and it's cool temperatures. And because these letters, these inserts I should say, are 3M double-sided tape, and this truck is pretty cold, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to connect blow or hair dryer to the 110 outlet in the back and just heat the surface pretty good. I'm not gonna heat the inserts too much. I will focus on at least heating up the surface and I'll get to sticking. It's pretty simple, straightforward, so let's get it. It's gonna turn it on. Gonna hit that real quick. Bam. So I'm gonna just close it back up. I'm gonna grab this and just give it one more wipe. One more good wipe. Cool. And then pretty much just heat the surface up. Not too hot, just warm enough for the adhesive to get that good bond. So I'm gonna do this for a bit and then we'll get to sticking. Sorry if the audio is just completely messed up in this video. I need the truck on. There's cars passing by. There's just too much noise. These are the inserts. They pretty much just pop into every letter. There's one for every letter, I should say. It's pretty simple, but kind of tricky because you kind of gotta get them leveled. Low-key kind of scary. I'm pretty much just gonna heat this up again, get that nice and warm. Just peel off the back, the 3M sticking, heat that up a bit, and then just stick it on there and hopefully they're all straight. If not, then I messed up. But we'll see. Here goes nothing. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh, I'm so nervous right now. Oh, no. Oh my God. And it's on there. That looked straight to me, so we're gonna say that's straight. And if you say otherwise, I'm sorry, but that's straight. Alright. So I'm gonna just apply pressure, not too much pressure, for like 10, 15, 20 seconds maybe. Can you tell I'm nervous? Can y'all tell I'm nervous? If you can't, hit that like button, because oh God. Oh my God. I'm gonna apply pressure and add heat. Ooh. Alright. That's the first one. 5 to go. Alright, here goes the A. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Okay. And that's it. That easy. Nerve-wracking for sure. Ooh. What I'm gonna do next, I should say, I did get this Seattle Seahawks license plate cover. I did get my license plates in the mail. I'm gonna go ahead, put the stickers on the license plates, and just swap out the dealership reg plates for these, or for the regular plate, plus change out the dealer license plate cover or frame for this one, because go Hawks. And yeah, it looks now nice and simple and pretty dope if you ask me. So next obviously is going to be blacking out the emblem, so the V6 right there, along with the Tacoma that's on the doors on both sides. So now I'm gonna just do one more pass, heating them up and just pressing them for like 20 more seconds each one, and I should be all done. So hopefully you guys like this video. It may have been a bit of a sketch video. Maybe the audio was horrible, maybe it wasn't because of the truck being on and me with a hair blower or dryer I should say. But if you guys liked this episode, go ahead and hit that like button. Be back with another episode Tuesday or Wednesday. And yeah, remember guys, live life, love life.